Betco's reputation for professional performance every day goes beyond our branded solutions. Over 7 decades, Betco has created value for our contract manufacturing partners with 500 chemical formulations, 30 packaging solutions, and capabilities that set a new standard for consistency and quality in the cleaning industry. At our state-of-the-art 500,000 square foot facility in Bowling Green, Ohio, we use the most technical and modern systems for product development while complying with the strictest industry regulations. With our economies of scale, operational efficiency, and production capacity, we help drive partners' business growth with private label, contract packaging, and custom formulation. From beginning to end, our research and development, quality control, and regulatory teams ensure uncompromising quality and compliance with CGMP, FDA, and EPA guidelines. Support provided by marketers and graphic artists include label and packaging design, as well as marketing support materials. All these and more services are spearheaded by specific key account representatives. To consult with an expert today, we invite you to take the next step by filling out our online submission form or contacting Betco customer service at 888-GO-BETCO.